how to save money for your Cyprus company. I'm going to share some tips with you, some vital tricks that we advise our clients and you should take advantage of as well. The first most important thing to make your company more money and yourself is, of course, to take advantage of the recruitment subsidies. This is of paramount importance because for each employee that you hire here in Cyprus, you could be receiving up to 4,000 or 5,000 worth of subsidy. That is 4,000 or 5,000 coming into your bank after 12 months. So it reduces the employee's cost, and of course, since you needed the employee, it will make you a nice present, as after 12 months from the recruitment period, usually you will see in your bank account an incoming of 4,000 or 5,000. That is, of course, if you do all the application correct. This is again something that we handle for all our clients. The other trick, which is similar to this one, is when you are recruiting employees from abroad who are high earners, earning more than 55,000. These high earners are eligible to various tax incentives, the best of which is that they are taxed on 50% of their salary. This is an amazing incentive, as not only it saves money for the employee, but also for the employer, as with the same gross amount, the employer pays 50% less of the lowest payroll costs in Europe, and the employee gets on the same amount of gross salary much more net salary in his bank account, simply because the contributions are calculated on 50% of their gross salary. So these are the two main key tricks or incentives that we are very strict about, and we push and force all our clients to take advantage of. A third trick or incentive is to teach and fully explain to our clients how VAT works and how they should try to minimize to the extent possible raising sales invoices who are likely to get paid long time after several months post the invoice issue. This is because, as you all know, when you raise sales invoices, it doesn't mean that you will receive your remuneration on time. You will receive your dues on time. You raise the sales invoice and sometimes you will get paid 3 months, 4 months, or even 6 months down the line. However, the VAT taxman wants the VAT on the invoice amount to be paid on time. So this creates cash flows issue for you, and it's very important for you to sit with us or sit with your accountants and VAT experts and have a word, fully understand your liabilities, your obligations for VAT, when you should raise sales invoices, when you cannot raise invoices, and so on, in order to improve your cash flow. That's the trick number 3. Trick number 4, of course, is to fully take advantage of the Cyprus relaxed approach to company expenses. Cyprus, being an international financial center, wants to attract international businesses, and it is happy allowing several expenses being treated as company expenses. Unlike other jurisdictions like Bulgaria, which are very strict, Cyprus is very relaxed and allows several expenses to be included in your company's bank account, in your company's financial statements. Thus, your effective corporation tax is not 12.5%. I would say it's 8% or maybe 9%, simply because when you're using a Cyprus vehicle as a company, you are allowed to use more expenses. The last golden nugget I'm going to give you in this short video, we have lots of valuable information in our YouTube channel and in all our social media, of course, is the use of the non-domiciled tax status. Being a non-domiciled means that you can enjoy worldwide tax-free dividends as far as Cyprus is concerned. So if you have created your Cyprus company and you have done the steps above and you are the shareholder, at the year end or whenever you feel that you need to get paid your dividends, you make a withdrawal in your bank account, and that money comes into your bank account without any deductions of dividend tax. And this is because you are a non-domiciled tax resident here in Cyprus. Non-domiciled, you are entitled to a non-domiciled status, and this is something we apply for you if you have not been living in Cyprus and you just relocated to Cyprus, or if you are a Cypriot who's been away for many years and decided to come back here in Cyprus. There are, of course, terms and conditions. We have lots of videos explaining this, but the essence of this video and of this point is that not only the Cyprus tax system gives you so many tax advantages for payroll, it's flexible with the expenses, but also when the time comes for you to receive your dividends and you are a non-domiciled tax resident, or if you are a tax resident in any other jurisdiction but not in Cyprus, the Cyprus company will not deduct any dividend tax. So you will get your dividends 100% tax-free from Cyprus. Now, if you declare them in your overseas tax return, that applies if you are not a non-domicile here in Cyprus, because being non-domicile here in Cyprus means that you are a tax resident in Cyprus. So if you declare this dividend income in your overseas tax return, depending on the double tax treaties between Cyprus and your country of tax residency, could be subject to tax or could not be subject to tax. It all depends on the double tax treaties. Again, this is something that we can advise you. Lots of information on our website, cyprusaccountants.com.cy, and of course on our YouTube channel and social media channels. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.